Hi, I'm John Slavick, concert piano technician. Welcome to our series about piano technology. Today, let's explore one of the points in the piano technology triangle, regulation. What is regulation? Well, first, we should understand that a piano is a complex mechanism with a variety of materials like wood, metal, and felt. Over time and usage, the felt compacts, which affects the alignment of these delicate moving parts. This will cause an uneven touch or sticking keys. Even moving 1 millimeter might make a huge difference. Therefore, we need to regulate these parts back to factory reset. Let's take a tour on the parts we regulate. There are 6 adjustment points in the action mechanism that affect placement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One of the things that really affect the feel for the pianist is the distance between the hammer rest and its string. This is called hammer blow distance. It's specific to each manufacturer. To adjust, you move the whippet. It rests directly on the key. So if I press on the key, you can see the hammer moves. If you make it too low, the touch feels heavier. If it's too high, it will sacrifice a bit of power because you've changed the momentum potential, but it will feel easier to play. This piece of felt here affects the jack, which should line up with this piece of wood. To regulate its position, we do this. The repetition spring here carries the hammer back up after playing a key. It needs a certain amount of tension to lift the hammer after each keystroke. Let-off is adjusting when the hammer is released by the jack as the hammer moves forward. The jack has a square end piece which rubs against this round piece, causing it to launch up. This is also known as escapement. To change where it lets off, we move this mechanism here. This is a back check, which catches the hammer as it falls back down. For this one, we can adjust it by hand. This mechanism is for the dampers. When the key is pressed down, or when a damper pedal lifts this metal part up, the damper lifts up, allowing the strings to vibrate. Key depth is the distance a key travels down when you play. It should be around 10 to 11 millimeters. Underneath the key, you'll see there is a mix of felt and paper punchings. To adjust, we add or subtract paper punchings, which can be as thin as a thousandth of an inch. Touch weight is the amount of weight it takes to lower a key. The standard key weight for pianos is around 50 grams. If you take out these leads, the touch will be heavier, but the return will be faster. If the key is coming up too slow, you might have too many key leads because someone wanted to make the touch lighter. As you can see, there are lots of parts to adjust for one key. To adjust all 88 keys, it typically will take anywhere from 5 to 10 hours. Like a human body, the more we upkeep its health regularly, the more we can avoid compounding issues and major surgeries. If you want to learn more, watch our other piano technology videos, or come visit our Falcetti piano showrooms.